Should you add your passport to your Google Wallet? Should you add your passport to your Google Wallet? Google Wallet is basically an app that you use on your mobile phone, and you use it to store all kinds of cards, your credit cards, your tickets, now even your passport. You can add it to your Google Wallet so that you have a digital copy basically in your pocket of your passport. But should you add your passport to it? People have varying thoughts and ideas. Leave your own thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. So you can add your US passport to your Google Wallet now. It's super secure, and Google checks your passport chip, your face, even asks the government to confirm if it's real. You must take a selfie video to prove that it's really you. It does work at some airport security checkpoints, which makes travel faster, but you need to remember it doesn't always work everywhere, and it doesn't mean that now that you've added your passport to your Google Wallet, it's a replacement for your real passport. You still need to carry it for travel purposes. So it doesn't work at border control or immigration, only for ID checks, maybe at TSA, and only works on your phones and smartwatches. Only old devices don't support having your passport on your Google Wallet. And so it's great for frequent flyers who want less stuff in their pockets, but some people do worry about getting hacked and stuff like that. So use a strong VPN or a strong password so that you secure your device. But if you still feel you are not sure about adding your passport to your Google Wallet, just remove your passport from your Google Wallet, because in any case you will still be required to have your physical passport with you. So yeah, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below.